Hello everyone, I am your teacher for this question. Let me explain this question to you now. The total number of orbitals associated with third cell will be थर्ड सेल में कितने ऑर्बिटल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं हमें फाइंड करना है. हाउ मेनी ऑर्बिटल्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद द थर्ड सेल. So third cell means n equals to 3 here. If the n equals to 3, then L will be equals to 0 to n minus 1. So L will be equals to here 0 to n minus 1. N minus 1 will be 2 here. 3 minus 1, that's 2. So 0 to 2, that's 0, 1 and 2. And when L is 0, then M will find M. M is minus L2 plus L. The value of M, which indicates the number of orbitals, which is minus M2 plus M. So minus here for L equals to 0, M will be equals to minus 0 to plus 0, there is 0 only. And for L equals to 1, the value of M will be equals to minus 1, 0 and 1, minus L2 plus L, minus 1, 2 plus 1. And for L equals to 2, the values of M will be minus 2, 2 plus 2, so minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So total number of orbitals are given by the different values of M. So here for the L equals to 0, which represents S subcell. So S subcell has one orbital. S subcell has one orbital. And for L equals to 1, which represents P subcell, which has 3 orbital with the M value minus 1, 0 plus 1. And L equals to 2, that represents D subcell, which has the 5 orbitals. So 5 orbitals are there in 3D. So अगर हम इसको सीक्वेंस में लिखें एक तरीके से, तो थर्ड सेल में n equals to 3, it will be containing 3s subcell, 3p subcell and 3d subcell. These 3 subcell exist in the third cell. 3s subcell में 1 orbital है. 3s subcell has 1 orbital. 3p subcell has 3 orbitals. And 3d subcell has 5 orbitals. So total orbitals in third cell will be 1 plus 3 plus 5, that's equals to 9 orbitals are there in the third cell. So correct answer for this question should be C, option C, which has mentioned 9 orbitals. So correct answer for this question is option C. Third cell will be associated with 9 orbitals. I hope you understood the explanation of this question. Thank you.